right now we're in Granby Ranch. This is in Grand County and we're about 20 minutes outside of Winter Park. This is a great ski and golf community.
This is a great example of a mountain home in Granby Ranch, Colorado. Come on in, check it out. Some things I love about this home are the ultra-high ceilings, the amazing views of Granby Ranch, and the grand living room.
So what complements that living room so well is this incredible kitchen, dining room right off to the right, and these stunning views.
And now we're downstairs in this beautiful living room space. We have 2 additional bedrooms and the views that just keep going. Oh, and did I mention that it comes with a 5-person hot tub? Thank you for joining us on this tour of this amazing home in Granby Ranch. If you would like to know more or have questions or would like a tour, give us a call. We'd love to show you around.
And believe me, we'd love to come back up and show you. We like to spend as much time up here as possible.